so we never know.
That's exactly right. But to that same token, we have a probability where it might be.
Yeah.
The answer is yes. Connor, did you come in to take a test or something? Yeah. Okay, that's all right. Then you left, and then I wasn't sure what was going on. Yes, I did. You take the test.
I love how quantum mechanics makes absolutely no sense.
You call me a curiosity.
All this roasted angry scientist.
Okay, and then I have to go back to myself up here. I don't know. Yeah, car keys or anything?
Are you kidding me?
Oh, you got it back, okay.
You're talking about showing your
Okay, now, back to where I was at. So here's my idea of a way to think about it. Imagine you can't use your cell phone, all right? You need to, there's an emergency. Cell phones are not working. Landlines are, but cell phones are not. All right, and that could happen in an emergency, all right? Okay, you have to deal with my analogy, okay? All right, so you right now, there's an emergency and you need to get a hold of somebody. It is 10:37 in the morning. I don't care if it's mom, your dad, whatever. Right now, how many of you, it's 10:37 in the morning, a pretty good idea. Someone that you need to get a hold of, there's an emergency. You need to get a hold of now. How many of you have a place you could immediately look first? How many of you say you have high probability of finding them in this spot? Okay, now, is it guaranteed they're going to be there? No, is there a guarantee, 100% guarantee? Even though I'm supposed to be in this room right now, 10:37, watching you guys, could I have an emergency or I had to run to the restroom? Could a kid have a problem? I had to run somebody down to the office? Could there be a reason why I'm not in this room, even though this is where I'm supposed to be at 10:37 in the morning? Okay, now, if you can't find somebody right now, how many of you have a place 2 or a place 3 you could look for somebody before you had a panic mess? All right. Why? Because is there areas of probability where someone's supposed to be right now? Okay, now I'm going to do another analogy here, and then we're going to do a role reversal. How many of you, though, have parents that drive you nuts on the weekends because they're always hounding you because they don't know where you're at or what it is you're doing, and you feel like they have way too much control and they're driving you nuts?
Occasionally.
Okay, all right. Now, is it because your parents don't trust you? Or is it because your parents don't trust society?
No, my parents don't.
Okay, that means it's not that they don't trust you. They don't trust the world you live in. Now, total reality, I'll give you, my kids lived a mile away from their grandmother from the time they were little. And I have, to this day, my daughters are 16 and 13. I've still never let one of my kids walk the road to one of their grandma's house. Why not? Now, even though the probability of that is what?
Next to nothing.
Next to nothing. Do I want my kid to be that statistic that I have to put on a milk carton to have to find them?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, your parents are overprotective and drive you nuts. As much as you feel they don't love you, that is what's going on. Okay? Now, they don't want you to be that statistic.
I'm not gonna get taken.
That's because McGuire will throw you back, but that's okay. Okay? All right, anyway. Hey, you walked into the bird, you did nails button, all right? I'm sorry, but anyway. Now, how many of you though, seriously, role reversal? You've been home and your parents were supposed to be home at a certain time, and your parents aren't home and you can't get a hold of them, and now you worry about them. Who has had that happen to them? Don't laugh. I know it's happened in this room, and you became the parent and they became the kid. How many of you have had that happen?
Yeah, they go to a grocery store and they don't come back.
Okay, you guys would agree with me that it is total role reversal, is that correct? Now, I will be included. My mom's 75, she lives in Florida by herself. So I call her regularly, all right, just to check on her to make sure she's okay. So when I call her and she's supposed to be home, it's supposed to be time we're supposed to meet, And of course, she does have a cell phone, so I obviously call her cell phone, she doesn't even own a landline, okay? And I can't get a hold of my mom. And 30 minutes pass, and I still can't get a hold of my mom. Now, what's going through my mind? My mom had a stroke, she had a heart attack, she slipped, she lives by herself. You know what I mean? So think about what's going through my mind and why she can't get to the phone. And of course, I always wait, and I wait, and then he says, there you go, how long do you wait till you call the cops to go check the apartment to see if she's okay? Right? I mean, that's where I'm at, okay? So it's like, so far, it's always been, oh, I went to the pool swimming, I love my pool and everything, you know, because that's what she does. She goes down there, she's in a condo, the pool, all these old people, do a little bit, it's hilarious. All right, anyway. So my whole point is, the same thing happens. And why is that? Because you always assume the what when you don't know what's going on. You assume the worst. Okay, but I'm using this for probability purposes. The reason why communication is so important for you and your family is your parents then know the probability of where you are at, and do they get nearly their panties in a bundle when they know what's going on. You still might get in trouble, but are their panties nearly in a bundle if they know what's going on? It's when they don't know what's going on. Well, the same thing's going to go on with electrons. Do we have an idea where electrons are supposed to be, what electrons are supposed to be doing, how electrons are supposed to behave? And most of the time, do they behave according to the way they're supposed to? Yeah, they do. The only problem with electrons, do we have rogue children that sometimes don't do what they're supposed to with electrons? The answer is, yes, we do. That's why it's not a guarantee where electrons at, it's just a probability, okay? This is what this whole chapter is about. This whole chapter is about the probability of where an electron spends the majority of its time. But please keep in mind, we already know that one electron of hydrogen, though he's supposed to spend the majority of its time at ground state, do we know for a fact that it spends time at energy level 6, energy level number 7, energy level number 3? The answer is yes, we do. You know why we know that? Because it makes colored lines of where it's falling and jumping from those different energy levels. So even though it's supposed to spend most of its time at energy level number 1, is it spending time at other energy levels? The answer is yes. All right. By the way, also keep in mind, even though we will call hydrogen as a one-shell electron, one-shell atom, it's really small, are there other energy levels there, even though the electron doesn't always spend its time there? So like if something has 7 energy levels, could it actually have 14? Because if there's 7 energy levels, do the electrons have to have a place to get excited? Well, if they have a place to get excited, that means they have to get higher energy levels. So just keep in mind when we talk about this, there's a lot more to it than what meets the eye. All right. So what I have is I have a couple little video clips. One of them is what made us start thinking about, what was the initial study that made us start looking at quantum theory. And the second one is tying in what you're going to learn now to what we did on the test you just took yesterday. Okay? So I have 2 video clips. It's going to take us about 8 minutes. All right, so right now I'm just going to sit back and watch the video.